Hi guys, today I will be showing you guys the whole subway track in car parking multiplayer. Just follow me to this spot. You should use a fast car for this. I am using a 1695 HP car with custom debars. Now that you're here, drop a gear and disappear. I cannot believe I made it. Let's start at the beginning. Okay, now that we are here, let's explore. Whoa, careful, don't crash, you will fall, bro. Wow, so fucking disappointed right now. You have to be joking. Why didn't they finish it? So stupid. Just wasted my time making this entire video. Fuck my life, bro. I am wondering why I am still making this video. Why did I post it? I don't fucking know. Why are you still here? Like seriously, why are you still here? Leave.